Hi, I'm Linda. I'm the account manager for Scotland for IMV Imaging. Today I'm going to take you through a wee video series of how to work the basic functions of the Mindray M6. This is also applicable to the Mindray M7. When you first put the machine on, you will come to the scan screen. Input patient details so that all images you save will be saved to the correct patient. The patient button over here will take you into this menu, and you can navigate this menu with the trackball and the set button. You'll need an ID number. This is generated by the machine, but you can replace this with your own ID number if you prefer. Then put in the surname of the owner, the name of the animal you're going to scan, and then select your species. We make veterinary presets for each machine, and they will always be under either canine, cat, or equine, so please pick one of these. Any other details can be inputted, but they are optional. Down at the bottom, click OK, and your patient details will appear on the top of your scan screen. Next, pick your preset. The exam button is just under the patient button. For this particular probe, we have dog abdominal presets, a repro preset, and a cardiology preset for the microconvex probe. Pick the one that's most applicable for the scan you're going to do.